What's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Ravencoin. What's the change goal in the Ravencoin in the last 7 days, in the last 1 day, and the last 1 hour. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's get start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of the previous last 1 week, last 7 day of Ravencoin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the Ravencoin of the last 7 days, last 1 week price prediction. The change occur in the Raven is about negative 1.73% change occur in the Ravencoin in the last 7 days, and the high price of last 7 days is dollar 0.20618 is the high price of Ravencoin. So friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Raven coins, as you can see here, on the 4th April, 4th, 5th April, they falling down, and on the 5th April they take a high jump, as you can see here, the 5th April, and after 6th April they again recover the jump of the 5th April, and now 8th April they are exploding, explosion starts again. And if we look the currently at this time today, 10th April, they again falling down, friends. So absolutely bad news for all Ravencoin, but don't worry, I have surprise news for you. As you can see here, now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes and the last 1 day, friends. Oh my goodness, here is your surprise. As I told you, here is your surprise. As you can see here, the change is positive 2.047%. So soon the change and the previous last 12 week as in positive. Don't worry about the change. And now at this time they are positive. They are moves upward. And high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 day is dollar 0.197789 dollar is the high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 day. Absolutely good news for all Ravencoin at this time, because now at this time last day on the 10th April they started explosion. That is why it's a good news for all Ravencoin. The chart tells us that they are falling down now again, but don't worry, they are again recovered this falls. Now let's see the currently status occur in the Ravencoin. I know they are in the falls. As you can see, they are also in the falls at this time, but don't worry, they recover their falls after some time, after some passage of time they again start moving upward. So don't be afraid by this type of falls. As you can see here, the average change occur in the last 1 hour in the Ravencoin as negative 0.23%, and the high price of Ravencoin is about dollar 0.190774 dollar is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour, friends. And now the current price at this time price of the Ravencoin as dollar 0.18944 dollar is the high price of current price of Ravencoin. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 day, as you can see now on the screens. So friends, my suggestion for all of Ravencoin holders that please hold your Ravencoin, as I show you the last 1 day price prediction, which are positive, approximately 2% positive. So soon their explosion days are coming soon. So please don't worry about the falling. Don't be afraid by this falling, and be patient. The big pumps are coming soon of Ravencoin, so hold it. And if you want to buy, so absolutely it's not best time to buy a Ravencoin. When they start high explosion, it's the best time for you to buy a Ravencoin. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion about Ravencoin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos.